Love.
Love is a unique and a crazy feeling.
It's difficult to define love.
How do I describe love?
Love is respect.
Eternal.
What I think about love.
Being comfortable yet not taking someone else for granted.
I guess one has to be pure.
Trust and pure.
Two people falling in love is like knowing each other, doing the best for each other.
It's a feeling. You can't describe it in words.
Love is when you like not the person for what he is, but for yourself when you're with him.
When it comes to weddings, it's all about love, and I think love is in air right now.
So when we started 10 years back, it was just a thought which came to mind and we put it together.
This concept was actually initiated keeping in mind the bride and groom and their families to ease out their wedding related shopping.
So these 10 years were really important years of our life. A lot of struggle was involved. We have really seen the brands escalating the way we escalated. We really feel good to see them at this level where they've grown with us.
I know them for last 5 years, I think, and maybe more.
It's been 3 years. I started an exhibition with Wedding Asia.
2 years.
3 years.
3 years, 5 years,
10 years.
I think it's been an absolutely perfect journey altogether.
unique from others, no compromise in work.
I'm very happy with it.
Wedding Asia take care of every participant like their family members.
They've been a beautiful, beautiful family.
Every owner talks to me like we are like a family. I think we are totally like a family right now.
Love, affection, care, relationship. That is what the most valuable thing at Wedding Asia. The love which we got from our visitors, the love which we got from our exhibitors. Everything is just because of the love only.
Of course, it's great experience. I get to see the best collection without really going everywhere.
So you have amalgamation of everything what you need for a perfect wedding.
It was a wonderful experience.
I think it's amazing work that they're doing.
Wedding Asia is the best one, yeah.
I love Wedding Asia.
I love Wedding Asia.
That's what I can say is I love Wedding Asia.
I love Wedding Asia.
I love Wedding Asia and I love the people of Wedding Asia.
It's an eternal bond with our visitors, with our exhibitors.
10 years back, it was just a dream, but now it is actually happening. Wedding Asia is becoming Asia's most premium wedding exhibition.
Keep loving Wedding Asia.